So we're in Oyambre today. We're looking at a beautiful swell hitting the north coast of Spain. Nice 1.2 meter swell, around 10 seconds period. It's offshore / glassy. The sun's shining, which is nice. And yeah, we're taking the mid-length with us today. Gonna be some nice slow waves, easy cruising. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful day. Yeah, ready to spread the stoke. Yeah. Waves are looking big. It's low tide, so they're quite hollow. This is gonna be a test of the GoPro Hero 5, my ability to not lose my GoPro. And also a test for using gyroflow to see if we can get some more stabilization out of this little thing. But I'm stoked. See you in the water. It's getting high tide now, and there's a nice little peak over here, but all the waves are closing out. I'm on my own, so that's nice, but yeah, there's some nice big waves in here. It's fun. It's very fun out there.